is a beautiful day to be here with Drip and Drift. Going to my boy Elie's house to finish some electrical stuff. We're gonna add our third gauge, and I got a bag full of goodies down there. We're gonna add the third gauge, and then we're also gonna add that fuse box that I purchased. And yeah, get stuff done. All right, y'all, let's get it popping. So here we have all our goodies. We are installing some fuses, big boy switch for this fuse box, and then our oil pressure gauge. So what do we got so far? We got our gauge, which doesn't fully fit, so we're gonna have to sand it down a little bit. It's super snug. I think I could push it in, but I don't want to try it. And we got those wires running through.
That's your file.
Nice. And then, so down here, that little guy is where our oil pressure gauge is gonna go. Elie's working on this bitch to hook up to the fuse box where we are gonna run everything off of, and hopefully mount it somewhere in here that's nice and clean. Alright, so we unscrewed the old switch and we've screwed in the new one. It has its own thread sealer on it, but it didn't go in all the way, but it's tight, so it's good. And then we have it running. Elie's still running. Wires in there. It wasn't working because it had this extra wire that we had in, and then we just tried running it to straight power, and it's working. So we added our new switch, we have our new gauge, and then we're tucking
We're looking
the fuse
at it like
box
right here, pretty much, something like that.
Yeah.
That's gonna be it.
The moment of truth.
Very nice.
Yeah. What's that peak do?
I don't know. I thought it was gonna change colors.
I gotta read what that peak does. If anybody knows, let me know. Well, I'll probably find out before I post this, but either way. Well, you heard it here first, Drip and Drift.
Fucking right.
Thanks to Elie. We out this bitch.